people, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Apollox Ico, empowering decentralized global e-commerce. And it says Apollox is a platform for building decentralized e-commerce applications and services on blockchain. Apollox will use tokenization and decentralization to replace today's rent-seeking enterprise with a new model of complete shopping protection, better security, and minimal commission. And the pre-sale is live and is going to end in 6 days, 5 hours time. This is what review website are saying about them. Let's scroll down more to the website. So digitalized marketplace, independent stores, and e-commerce service will be using these projects. Now the token sale, yes. So these are the date of pre-sale, 1st of September 2018 to September 2021. That is for the pre-sale period. And then the pre-sale bonus 20%. Then the number of token for sale is 3.5 billion APST. And let's go down. This is the token distribution. This is the roadmap. This is the team, and they say our founding team members are from MIT, Stanford, Singwa, Google, Nowhere, Robin Made, and all the rest. So the team members are experienced. The CEO has had 3 companies. I work for Oracle and MIT Media Lab. We have a good number of people here, and the advisors too. We have them here too. A lot of experience too. A lot of experience. These are the best amino capital orphan Forge Lab. And the media coverage, you can find them on Yahoo News and all the rest, Coin Telegraph, Tenkosh, and all of them here. This is the white paper, 53-page white paper, well put together. Details. So I encourage you to take your time to go through the white paper. I encourage you to go through the white paper. It tells you more about the project, what is it all about, and what they hope to achieve. And let's check ICO bench 4.4. We have 5, and token symbols I've said is APXT, 0.0055 US dollar for the price, and it's built on Ethereum platform. They accept Ethereum and fiat, $4 million soft cap and $14 million hard cap. They are from Singapore, and you need KYC, and you need to get whitelisted. If you are from US and from China, you cannot get involved with this ICO. You cannot get involved with this ICO. And let's go more. Telegram, there's 24,487 member on Telegram. I mean, they have good number of followers, a good number of community. 2020 followers here, so you can check on their Twitter here, and you can see it here. And analyzer ranking, more visitors from United States, India, Sri Lanka, Russia, and Indonesia. So I believe this is a good project. It's a good project. They have team members who are experienced in what they are doing, and I'm going to leave the link down below. So I'll leave the link and you can sign up for it. But do not forget, anything I've said here in this review is strictly of my own personal opinion. Don't take it as financial advice. Thank you for watching my video. Please, before you go, please subscribe to my channel and show me some love and hit the notification bell. And when I bring more videos, you'll be among the first to watch my videos. Thank you a million times. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.